In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google AI mode in the Comet browser quickly and efficiently. Starting from the very beginning, I'm here to guide you every step of the way to ensure you get the most out of this feature. First, let's get started by opening the Comet browser. You'll notice a familiar interface as it loads up. In the upper right corner, keep an eye out for an arrow icon. This is your gateway to the settings that will enable you to optimize your browsing experience, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the arrow, you should now see a drop-down menu. From here, we want to navigate to Settings. This section houses various adjustable options, but today we're focusing on configuring our search engines. Within the settings, locate and click on Search Engines. This is the control center for all search-related settings. What we're looking to do now is manage these options, so your next stop is Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click here to proceed further. Under the Site Search section, you'll notice an option to add. We're going to use this to bring Google AI mode into your browser. Go ahead and click Add, which will open a new dialog box ready for the custom settings. Now, you'll need to input a few bits of information. For the name field, simply type in Google AI mode. This is just a label for your reference, so feel free to adjust it if you prefer something different. Moving on to the shortcut field, type AIM. This shortcut allows you to quickly access Google AI mode in the future with minimal fuss. A real time saver. Next up is the URL field. Make sure you have the correct link ready to paste in, because this is what connects our setup to the actual Google AI services. Once you've pasted the right URL into the box, click Add to finalize this portion of the setup. We're almost there. After successfully adding Google AI mode, you'll see it appear in your list of search engines. Locate it once again, click on the three dotted lines next to it, and select Make Default. This ensures that Google AI mode is your primary search tool when you're exploring the web via the Comet browser. With everything configured, it's time to test our newly set search engine. In your browser's search bar, try out a prompt. For example, type upcoming Marvel movies in 2026, and then hit Enter. This will show you how efficiently the new setup processes and delivers information. And there you have it. You've now integrated Google AI mode into your Comet browser for optimized searching. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring the web with your enhanced search capabilities.